Hey there, this is Wayne with Tri County Locksmith Service, and today we're checking out the TTP hard drill bits. This is a M35 HSS steel. They've added the molybdenum and cobalt to this drill bit to increase the hardness of it. What I really like about these drill bits is you know you're going to get a quality drill bit because this is exactly what this place does. They've put a ton of money into research and development, and they've come up with a great product. You got a 135-degree angle for nice starting instead of the 118-degree point that most drill bits use. This 135-degree just works a little bit better. It's got the nice back cut on it, so they center really nicely. For example, this round right here, we're going to do a little test, and we'll drill on this round surface. You got a bolt that's already a little bit hotter steel, so we're going to see how that does with the round surface. But this is the only company that actually sent their drill bits off and got them hardness tested. These are 66 on the RHC, or the Rockwell hardness scale. They're the only company that actually wants to prove how hard their drill bits are, because that's important. When it comes to drilling steel, it's a simple science. I've done a lot of research and done a lot of videos on drill bits, and it's very simple. If you have a hard, the drill bit is very hard, and you've got it up there in the 60, 65, 66 on the Rockwell hardness scale, you're going to be able to drill almost any kind of steel that's out there. It's going to get into your harder bolt steels. You're going to be able to drill out bolts and things like that. It's going to work well on the brass. It's going to work well all the way around. It'll drill stainless steel, tool steel for the most part. It's going to have its limitations when you start getting into specifically designed anti-drill plate. You're probably not going to be able to drill that with this, but that's only in safes and things like that. So for what this is out in the field, these are a great little drill bit. We'll just get a little bit of this cutting paste stuff right on here, and you'll see that there's no indentation been made on this yet. So we just want to start it out, make sure the drill bit's nice and tight in there, and all you really got to do is put a little pressure and just turn that a couple times, and it'll save you pulling out the punch and the hammer and everything else, and you just get started right into this thing. Right away you can see it's not trying to walk off. It's just going to start getting right in there and start drilling some material out. You can see the nice big long spools that we're getting off of this. I mean, that's a sign of a good quality bit. A little bit more paste stuff on here. There you have it. That's drilling through a hard bolt steel, so you know that if you're going to drill through, if you've got to drill out a bolt, this particular type of drill bit will be able to do that. Now I'll go ahead and show you with another kind of drill bit here. This is the 118-degree drill, or the 118-degree angle. So we'll do the same thing. Oops. We'll set it on there, and we'll put some pressure on it. I can't even get it to stay on there. Just like that. And we'll spin this thing. And right away, it just goes right off of there. I mean, it is almost impossible to get it started on this round surface. Even if you give it a couple of turns, it won't even stay on there for that. So that's going to be the difference between the 135 degree split on these TTP bits and the 118 degree split on the drill bits that you're going to get at your hardware store. I'm always a big fan of just finding somebody that makes quality drill bits and just buy your drill bits from them. You're going to save a ton of money in the long run. You're going to be going to the big box stores and you're going to be buying, you know, the junky DeWalt's and the junky Irwin bits and all these junky bits, and you're just going to end up having piles and piles of drill bits that you use once or twice and they're trash. You know, and then they plague you. You keep them around because you paid a lot of money for them. You're going to get some more use out of them, and then you end up going through a bunch of drill bits. If you just go ahead and get a good quality set, or, you know, if you want to use one or two main sizes, get you a good quality set from, you know, a quality, reputable place, and you'll be money ahead in the long run. For more information, you got ttp-hard-drills.com. Check them out and order yourself a set of bits. They work good.